Alright guys, so this is the next house we're seeing down here in Naples. Alright, so this one's going to be the one on 6573 Chestnut Circle. I have to talk a little bit loud out here because they're doing a little bit of gardening work right next to me, but all good, no worries. Yeah, this one's going to be a really nice house for you guys as well. This is going to be great. So this one's going to be a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. We're working with 2,100 square feet. It is very nice light colored and very nicely lit in the inside. Here is the outside front yard. Just getting a little bit of a glimpse of the neighborhood. Okay. Like I said, it's going to be a very nice house. You guys will see inside when you see it. Alright, here is the entryway. Here's the front door. Okay. And this is your view once you actually walk inside. Alright, of course you got your living room right over here, straight ahead. To your left you have your dining room over here. So yes, this is your view once you walk in. Here's the front door as well. Get back up a little bit. And let's go ahead and tour this house. Okay, so I'll go ahead and first start off with the dining room area right over here to the immediate left once you walk into the front door. Okay. Alright, pretty nice little setup over here. This room over here, we'll go ahead and cover this really quick. This is going to be your mud room. Of course, washer and dryer. All your cabinets, this and that. And, of course, sink right over here. Nice touch. And, of course, as you guys probably will know, this is your garage. You got a 2-car garage right in here. Okay. Got some of these shelvings up here to be able to fit things such as rods, kayaks, whatever you guys would like. You also have a main split in here as well, so it is AC'd in here. And you have this little extra storage space as well to be able to put in, well, for water heater, as you're going to see, and a little more shelving storage. Okay. And that is going to be the mudroom and garage. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and walk through the kitchen now. So this is going to be the kitchen. So really quick, I'll cover this side. All appliances are updated. Okay, you got a lot of pantry space here. A lot of drawers, so you got a lot of space to be able to fit a lot of stuff. Let me just get this side really quick. Okay. Nice backsplash as well. There's your entryway, and on this side, of course, you got your microwave and stove. Let me go ahead and back up a little bit more. So this is going to be your kitchen. So nice color scheme. You kind of tell it's a very light, beachy theme you got going on. Everything's light colored. Which is very nice. Very impressive kitchen. It's very nice. Okay. Got another little dining room area right over here. Like that. Okay. And then you have your living room right over here. Let me just get over here real quick. Okay, so that is your living room in there. Okay, over there is your office. I'll get to that a little bit later. But here is everything else. Alright, so off to the kitchen. You're going to have a few of your rooms down over here. To your right, when you walk down over here, you're going to have one of your bathrooms. Okay, so we'll walk through this. You got one sink vanity right in here. You keep walking. There's your toilet right here. Okay, and then of course over here is going to be your bathtub and shower. All right, so you guys can see that. And of course, you got a door right here. It leads down to the pool area. We'll get to the pool area just in a little bit. Okay, so after the bathroom, we'll keep on going. I'll just show you really quick. Just get out of the way. You got a linen closet, of course, right in here. Okay, got that covered. To your left, you're gonna have one of your rooms. Now, like I said, everything's all beach themed in this house. I really like what they did with the color. It's all nice light color. Really does kind of seem like you're at the beach. It is awesome. Going to make a great Airbnb as well. And go ahead and share this other room now. Okay. Here's your other room. Okay. Yes, and of course, in this room, you will also have your own walk-in closet. Oh, very nice. By the way, just in case if you're wondering in this video, the tiles of the house, it's not actual wood. It looks like wood. It's like it's ceramic. So it's just one of those ceramic ones that's supposed to look like wood. And this room doesn't have a walk-in closet, but it still does have a closet regardless. All right, so those are the two rooms and the bathroom that is off on the side of the kitchen. As you can see right here, here's the kitchen. Okay. And we'll go ahead and take a look at it's a den, but they did convert it into an office. So this is gonna be your office. Very, very nice what he did with the shelving. You got a really big window to let in a lot of natural light in. So it's not like a cave feeling or anything like that. You know what I'm talking about? Here you have your double glass French doors as well. Okay, very nice. And we'll go ahead and get into the other rooms now. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and get into the master room. Here we go. So very, very spacious master room. You have, of course, that sliding glass door that leads out to the pool. We'll go ahead and see that area in just a bit. Okay, down over here, of course, is going to be your master bathroom with a he and she style closet. We'll start to the right with our she closet. Okay, all walk-in, a lot of shelving. Let me try to open this up a little bit more so you guys can see a little bit better. Yeah, so you got your drawers, you got your shelving. A lot of space to put clothes. Okay, to the left, it's going to be another actual walk-in closet. Okay. Don't know which one you want to make the he or the she, but I'll leave that to you guys. Okay. Very nice. Just had to show real quick. Linen closet, of course. Gotta show the linen closets. Boom. Okay, got that. All right, of course you got your one sink vanity. Okay, your walk-in shower. There's no glass door actually in there. You do have like this one glass panel. Still nice though. Okay, look at the rest. You have another single sink vanity right behind you. So you got two sinks in this bathroom. Of course, this is probably your toilet. Yep, there it is. Okay. And this is gonna be your shower. Let me get a better view. Yeah, so all walk-in shower, pretty nice stuff. You got space to put your soap and all those other things. Yeah. Your handle's actually gonna be on this side. Yeah, very nice shower. And that's gonna be the master room and master bathroom. All right, so we're now gonna check out the pool area. Now, they are doing some gardening out on the side, as you can see right over there, so it's a little loud. I will talk a little bit louder just so you can hear me. Okay, so to your left, immediate left when you walk out, you have all this space right over here. Okay. By the way, so that's a fridge. Those are a couple of drawers and yeah, TV. So you got this entire space out here. You do have ceiling fans above this, so you can still stay cool while it's maybe a little hot outside. Okay. Very, very nice area. Nice little hangout spot. Completely screened in pool. This is the pool. Step out just a little bit. There's the pool. The best part about this screen is this is what you would call I think a theater screen, they call it, where there's no interruption, there's no like pole running in the middle, so it's just one continuous view, which some people definitely can appreciate. You probably can't see it that well. There's a little path right there. It's like a little trail that you can walk through throughout the whole community. Pretty nice.